Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the borders to the photos in this device. So let me show you one example like this. You can see the borders, right? So let me show you how to add border frame to photos in this device. So first of all, open the photos application and you need to select the photos that you want to add the border. So simply here I am going to select this photo. Okay, and at the bottom you can see the edit button, this one. Tap on this one. Okay, and after that on the top you can see one pencil icon. Tap on this one. Now tap on the plus button here. You can see at the bottom tab. Tap on this one. Now from here you need to select the option add shape. Tap on this one. And from here according to your picture you can select the shape. So here I am going to select this one. Now tap on this circle button on the first one. Tap on this one. Tap on the rainbow circle. Now decrease the opacity to 0%. Okay. Now select the second one, the stroke option. Okay. And from here you need to select the stroke color. And you can select the width of the stroke. So simply I am going to select the stroke, the width 30%, 30 pt. So you can see the border. Now you can adjust the border. Like this. Let me show you. Yeah. After this one, tap on done on the top right side. If you want to save this one, tap on done on the top right side. Now you can see we create the border frame to photo in this device without any third-party application. So simply in this way we can add border frame to photos in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.